Hello everyone, my name is Mimi. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you're not, hey sis. I'm gonna be showing you how I created this side bang with a bun, and I'm working on stretched out fussy hair actually. I'm sectioning out a piece of hair for the bang. You can section out as much hair as you want. Whenever I'm doing my hair, I like to work in sections, so I'm just creating two sections on the side of my hair, which will be added to the bun later. I'm using an elastic band to secure the bun, then I will start to add product to the bun. I don't want waves in my hair, so I'm using the Shine and Jam and the wax stick. You can use any hair wax of your choice. I applied the Shine and Jam and wax stick and then went in with a hard bristle brush. Then I just used my fingers to mold everything in place. To add the other sections in front to the bun, I just detangle thoroughly. Then I go in with the wax stick and the Shine and Jam. And I'm going to be using another elastic band to join these sections to the bun. My hair looks ashy and whitish, but don't worry, it will come together. To get them edges laid, I'm going to be using the Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm using a toothbrush for this. You can use an edge brush if you want, but this is what I had at the moment. And I just kind of like brush it backwards and create swoops. And I do this until I'm happy with the way it looks. Doing your edges well is like a great camouflage for thin hairline. So I'm just brushing this backwards. I'm not doing too much on this side since the bang is going to cover it. To seal the deal, I'm going to be using the Got to Be freezing spray, and I am generous with this product, okay? Then I follow up with a blow dryer on very low heat just to set it. I braided this and secured it with an elastic band so that it doesn't unravel. I'm using a deconstructed wig. I was actually very surprised that it blended seamlessly with my hair. To create the bang, which is actually my favorite part of doing this style, I just part my hair and I placed the wig on my hair to measure the length, and then I used the Lanelle glue. This is the same glue some people use to apply their lashes. Just make sure it's tacky and it looks like this. It looks darker when it's tacky. Then I place it on my head and go in with a blow dryer on low heat. To take this out, all you need is oil, and you can use any glue of your choice. If this glue gets on your fingers, just squeeze your fingers together and it comes off. It's that easy. I'm creating a firm anchor by adding an elastic band to the wig before attaching it to my bun. I wrapped the track from tip to base, and this was glueless because I wanted to take it off before going to bed. If you want to keep it in longer, use glue. As I get to the base, I take out a piece of hair which I'm going to wrap around to cover the tracks. I used Got to Be freezing spray to secure the hair and glue everything down. The blow dryer and straightener I'm using in this video are from Remington. I love this product so much. To create the actual bun, I just brush it out and twist, then wrap it all around. To finish off the bang, I'm using my flat iron on low heat just to straighten out the hair a little bit. The hair was too long for me, so I cut it. Then I went in with a flat iron to create a curve. I sealed it with the got2b spray, and that's it. All done. If you made it to this part of the video, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like and comment down below if you'll be trying this cute hairstyle out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.